Afternoon, everyone. Levi here at Buildworx Construction Group out here in North Houston today, and have a little charity deal going on. Got an elderly gentleman had issues with the siding on his house. Come to find out, this house was built without sheathing, so underneath the siding was just tar paper and then insulation. So I had to do a bunch of work we weren't expecting. I had to pull all the old siding off, the old tar paper, re-sheath it, house wrap the outside walls. Tyvek is what we used here, and then put some new siding up. So we also installed 3 new windows. He had old broken single pane windows on the back of the house on the first floor. So Hurricane Glass was nice enough to donate 3 windows to us. Sloan Lumber was nice enough to give us a very significant discount on the siding, and then the LP smart trim that we used on the house, as well as the sheathing. So I want to say thank you to those guys both. Got the guys that are taking and finishing up this side of the house. We've already done most of the back, most of this side. We'll have one more side to do. Only going to do the 3 sides. The front we're going to leave like it is for the time being. So anyway, just giving you a quick video of work we got in progress. Hope you all are having a great day. Hey everyone, Levi here again, showing you the other side of the house we're working on here up in North Houston. Mr. Stewart owns this house. He's 80 years old on a fixed income. So we're up here helping him out, doing a little bit of charity work. This house was built without any sheathing on the outside, so it was literally went from studs to tar paper is what they used for a moisture barrier, and then the cement siding was on the outside. So when the siding broke away, of course it allowed water to penetrate into the house. So we did a little bit of repair work to it. Hurricane Glass was nice enough to donate 3 windows to us, aluminum framed, double pane insulated glass. Those were completely broke on the bottom side of this house, so we put those in. Sloan Lumber in Santa Fe, they gave us a heck of a discount though on the LP smart trim, and then the cement siding, as well as the sheathing, and then the house wrap. So we're getting close to getting this all wrapped up. Still do have some repair we got to do to the soffits and the fascia. Rewired in a 220 window unit that he had here for AC, because apparently his central air hasn't been working for a few years, come to find out. So luckily enough, Carl with Air by Design is going to come out and help us tomorrow in order to get the central air working as well. Had a little issue today with a nail through a line on the AC unit, so guys got that opened up, waiting on Carl to be able to come and take care of that. So anyway, guys are out here working hard, getting stuff done. Hope you all enjoy the update.